Hello my dear student, today we are going to discuss about the topic direct and indirect speech. Okay, and in this topic we will know about that what is the direct speech and how can we change direct speech into the indirect speech. Okay, so let's come to know about that the direct and indirect speech. Clear? So first you know that about the direct speech. Direct speech means when we use the exact word of the speaker, that is called direct speech. It means when the speaker means that person. Okay, speaker means that part of the sentence. When the speaker says, when the speaker use the exact word, we can use exact word of the speaker, then it will be direct speech. Like here the statement of the speaker, I want to eat an apple. Okay, and what we mean by indirect speech? When we report what is being said without quoting the exact word of the speaker, that is known as indirect speech. It means when we use the word of the speaker in their own words, then it will be indirect speech. It means here is the word Riya said, I want to eat an apple. Okay, in this sentence this statement said by the speaker. Okay, it is the statement of the speaker that we can exactly write down or speak to exact word of the speaker, so it will be direct speech. But in the second sentence, the Riya said that, it means there is the person Riya who says the statement of the speaker their own words, then it will be indirect speech. Clear? Now we know more thing about the direct and indirect speech. First we take example like he says, comma, in inverted comma, Riya goes to school. Okay, Riya goes to school. So first you will see here is this statement divided into two parts. First part is here and second part is here. Okay, first part is, we can say this part as a reporting verb. Okay, and the second part of the sentence we can say reported speech. Okay, this part we can say it reporting verb, and rest of the part, that is the covered by the inverted comma, it is the reported speech. Okay, according to the reporting verb, we also check the reported speech in their rules and using the rules and tenses. Okay, first we will know about the reporting verb. Here is the two words he and says. Okay, he and says, and in this part you can see that it is the subject parts and it is the verb part. Okay, subject parts and verb parts. And how can we use reported speech? How can we change reported speech and its noun? Noun means its subject and tense according to the reporting verb. Okay, so we can divide this part into two. First is subject part and second is verb part, and we can also use the third part, that will be object of the sentence. Okay, so next I will tell you how can we change this direct speech into the indirect speech. Okay, so let's see here. When here is the subject, we can use first person, second person, or third person. Okay, any subject we can use here. Okay, but the verb, if the verb is in a present form, like he says, he is saying, he has said, or he has been saying. Okay, you can see here the sage refer to the present tense. It is the present indefinite, it means simple present tense, and this statement says that it is the present continuous tense, and this statement says it is the perfect tense, and last statement says that it is the perfect continuous tense. But all parts, it means present, indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous, we can use in the reporting verb. If the reporting verb has a present tense or future tense, any part of the future tense or any parts of the present tense, then we cannot change the reported speech. Okay, it's first rule to identify of the tense. When we identify of the tense, then we can change it. If the we can't understand or we can't identify of the helping reporting verb, then we can't change the reported speech. So first you have learned how to identify of the reporting verb. Clear? So if the reporting verb has a present tense or future tense, we can't change of the reported speech. We have not to change reported speech. But if this part has a different, then we can change in a reported speech. But now first we think about that how can we change this sentence in a indirect speech. Look here. Here is the reporting verb. After that, there is the comma and inverted comma. Okay. And in the last you can see also inverted comma that close this statement. Clear? So when we change into indirect speech, then we can write in a simple way. He says. After that, use that conjunction. We can use that conjunction to add this reported speech with the reporting verb. Okay. He says that Riya is the third form, so we cannot change the subject, and we can simply write Riya goes to school. Okay, simply write he says that Riya goes to school. So you can see that in the indirect speech, there is the sum of the changing. First is remove the comma and inverted comma. Okay. And you also add that conjunction with the add of the reporting verb and reported speech. Okay. So he says that Riya goes to school, and we cannot change the reported speech if the reporting verb is in a present tense or future tense. Okay. We take another example like this. He is saying, comma, inverted comma, he went to school. Okay, it is the direct speech, and when we change it into the indirect speech, then write simply he is saying that. Okay, remove the comma and inverted comma and use the that conjunction word, and after that you will write down here he or note all the statement that you can see in a reported speech. Went to school. Clear? It is the simple way to change direct speech into indirect speech. Clear? And when we change into the reported speech. Okay, how can we change into the reported speech? It is the simple way that how can we change it into indirect speech of the different sentence, different case. Clear? First, you can see here he said, comma, inverted comma, he goes to school. He goes to school, close the inverted comma. So, in reporting verb, you can say that he has the subject he and verb is said, and this verb is in a past tense. Okay, it is the past tense of the simple past tense. Okay, and in place of simple past tense, we if the tense is past continuous or past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense, then we can change the reported speech in their rules. Okay, I will tell you next about the rule. So let's see here. He said. Okay, he said there is no changing, but remove the comma and inverted comma and use conjunction word that. Okay, here is the third person, so we cannot change into the subject. And after that, here is the goes. It is the present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. Then, if the reported speech in a present indefinite, we can change this tense into the past indefinite tense. So, goes will be went to school. Went to school. Simply, he said that he went to school. It is the indirect speech of the word he sentence. He said he goes to school. It is the direct speech and it is indirect speech. Here you can see something is different from the previous statement or previous sentence that has the use that and remove the comma, but goes will be when according to the rule of direct and indirect speech. Okay, so I mentioned some of the rules. If the tense, it means simple present tense, simple present tense, simple present tense change into simple past tense. Okay, simple present tense change into simple past tense. Present continuous tense change into past continuous tense. Okay, if the reported speech is in a past continuous, we can change it into the, if the reported speech in present continuous, we can change it into the past continuous tense. Okay, if the reported speech into the present perfect tense, okay, we can change it into the past perfect tense. Okay, if the reported speech into present perfect continuous tense, then we can change it into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, clear? If it is the part of present tense. Okay, part of present tense. If the reporting verb is past tense, when we can change this reported speech according to their given sentence. Like a simple present tense, it will be changed into past tense, simple past tense. Present continuous, it change into past continuous. Present perfect, it change into past perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. And when if the reported speech means this part will be in a past indefinite, it means simple past tense. Indefinite tense, it will be past perfect tense. If the tense is into past continuous tense, then we can change it into the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, clear? It is the changing of past tense, okay, from direct speech to indirect speech. If the reported speech, it means this part will be in a future tense, then we can change two words, it means will and shall. Will be would and shall will be should. Simply, if here Riya said, I want to eat an apple. Here is the tense, present tense. It change into the past tense. If this part has a present continuous tense, then it will be past continuous tense. Okay? If this part will be present perfect, then this part will be past perfect tense. And if this part, this reported speech will be present perfect continuous, then this part will be past perfect continuous tense. Okay, and I gave you example of the past tense, like he said, comma, inverted comma, I went to school. I went to school. Okay, I went to school. So when we change it into the indirect speech, then we use some of the changing and make it in a indirect speech, like he said that. Okay, then the reporting one is past tense, then we can change the reported speech in their rules of indirect speech. It is changed according to subject, then it will be he, and when is the present, it means simple past tense, it is the simple past tense, so we can change simple past tense into the past perfect tense, and here we can use had, and then when will be gone, here to school. Okay, simply we can change this tense into the different parts, and it is easily. And in the next video, I will tell you about how can we change a pronoun word. Okay, pronoun word according to their subject and object. And in the next video, I also mention about that interrogative sentence and some other words. So I hope everyone understand this direct speech and how can we change this direct speech into the indirect speech. So thank you for this